Yan, dumating na yung inihaw na pusit at dumating na ang star to any Filipino food feast, ang crispy pata. It's a beautiful day today. This is Jayzar Recinto. Welcome back to my channel. Nandito tayo sa Jule's Restaurant and Bar, one of the newest restaurants dito sa Lipa City, and I'm very excited about this food trip. Bakit ako excited? Because the same people behind Jule's Restaurant and Bar are the same people behind one of our favorite restaurants dito sa Lipa City, ang Isobel Restaurant and Bar. Isobel Restaurant and Bar, very popular sa kanilang Filipino food. Some of their favorites ay nandito sa Jule's Restaurant and Bar, and they promise to level up the experience with a few of new high-end offerings. So come join me today. Let's go. Ang Jule's Restaurant and Bar located sa Sabang. Itong kanto na to, ito yung kanto ng Pure Gold. So sa likod ng Pure Gold, makikita nyo, ito yung signage nila, Jule's Restaurant and Bar. Pasok lang kayo dito and makikita nyo na yung parking area nila. Pero ito yung una nyo makikita, yung napakalaki puno na to. Very welcoming. Tapos, ayan na yung Jule's Restaurant and Bar. Ito, meron silang alfresco dining area. Dito kami nagda-dining, kasama namin. Tapos, meron din silang indoor dining area. Yan. Uy, very homey. Nice. May mga couch, nice tables and chairs. Tapos, nice accent pieces. Tapos, may donuts din sila. What? Miss Donuts. Wow! Peace look good. May dessert na kagad kami. May bukod sa donut, meron pang buko pie. Warm pa. Ooh, nice. Ito yung mga Pinoy food favorite natin, yung Shanghai. And then we have sinigang na baboy. And crispy kare-kare. Pansit ala Isobel. Paborito namin sa Isobel dati. And garlic butter shrimp. And speaking of pag-level up nila ng food, meron silang chicken steak served with mac and cheese. Meron din silang baby back ribs and steak. And actually, hindi pa to yung complete Filipino food na food trip natin. May parating pa na crispy pata saka inihaw na pusit. Pero para ma-enjoy na natin to, unahin na natin to. Start tayo sa sinigang na baboy. Wow! Itong gusto kong sinigang. Yan, dumating na yung inihaw na pusit. At dumating na ang star to any Filipino food feast, ang crispy pata. Tapos syempre kanin. Sabaw. First bite. Thank you, Lord. Ang lambot ng baboy. Tapos perfect ratio ng meat to fat. Tapos yung sabaw, napaka-asim. Syempre, hindi na pinapatagal itong crispy pata. Look at that. Ganda ng pagkakaluto. Look at that golden brown. Tapos yung fat, sausaw sa sauce. Crunchy skin. Yung fat niya, very rich. Can't wait to try the meat kung malambot. Try natin itong meat. Okay, peels apart. Really tender. Really flavorful. Yung flavor niya, lasa mo yung pagka-patty, yung crispy patty, pero at the same time, yung lasa ng pakulo, kuwang-kuwa ng meat. Ito, inaabangan ni Aisha. Yung butter garlic shrimp. Tikman na natin para maibigay na natin. Yung shrimp, very plump. Natin. Fresh flavor ng shrimp. Tapos yung butter garlic sauce. Walang nag-stand out na garlic or butter. Everything is perfect together. Try naman natin itong crispy kare-kare. Oh, laki agad na nakuha. Di sinasadya. Ayan. Crispy yung lechong kawali. Yung kare-kare sauce, really thick. Really creamy. Nice. Huwag kakalimutan ng Shanghai. As you can see, very meaty. Thin lang yun, yung wrapper. So, sulit na sulit. Tapos yung pinaputok na pusit. Laki ng pusit, Ulo kaagad. My favorite part ng pusit. Lambot. Sarap. Siyempre, wag natin kakalimutan yung pansit ala Isobel. Lagi namin ino-order ito Pag kumakain kami sa Isobel. Yung flavors ng pansit niya. Hindi yung mga pansit sa lumihan. Although masarap yun. Ito, may mga malalasahan kay iba. May nangalalasahan ako mushroom kasi may mga toppings na mushroom. So yung flavor ng mushroom sumasama. That makes this different. Ayan. Babalikan ko itong mga maya-maya. For now, try muna natin yung mga level up dishes nila. Ayan. So ito yung steak. Pinakita ko naman ito sa inyo kanina. Ganda ng grill marks So, yung kinuha natin, may laman, may taba. Wala mo na gravy. Salt and pepper yung lasa along doon sa lasa ng pagkakaihaw niya. Malambot and malasa. Even without the gravy. Yan yung pinagmamalaki nila ng baby back ribs. Yun. That peels apart. Again, wala muna sauce. Sweet and at the same time maumami, malambot, sarap. Kita nyo, peels apart lang. And at the same time, hindi siya yung yung sobrang lambot na melts in your mouth, which is what I like sa ribs. Gusto ko yung may laban pa ng konti. Yun yung binabakuran ni Aisha, yung chicken steak. Parang feeling ko masarap to sa kanin. Let's find out, shall we? Yung flavors ng chicken, very light lang. Yung sarap niya, chicken with the delicious gravy. Overall, panalo. Serve with mac and cheese. That is cheesy. Ayan. So you can see, family kami kumakain. Ayan, sila. Yan. Yaka. Busy. Ito yung dessert. Brownie salamud. Nagde-dessert naman tayo. Baka matunaw pa. Yung brownies. Tignan yung brownies. Very moist. Tapos ang sarap din ng ice cream. Tapos yung chocolate drizzle. Sarap. Tapos may donuts din sila. Wow. Uy, looks soft Yung dough, pillowy. Tapos ang sarap ng toppings. Nice dessert to wrap up a meal like this. Tapos may lemonade din sila. Medyo mainit ngayon So, sarap pag lemonade. So may inviting everyone to come check out Jule's Restaurant and Bar. Lagay ko yung fan page nila dito, saka link sa description box. Pwede dito, mas maganda kung kakain kayo dito kasama ng family nyo or friends nyo. Enjoy kayo, good food, nice ambience, panalong experience. So kakain muna kami ng family ko. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you for joining me. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, make sure to click on subscribe button and notification bell and watch my other vlog right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit.